Hello guys, welcome to today's market analysis, May 13, 2025. Let's see the market opportunities for today and how the market is going to react, behave by today. Let's see the opportunities one by one. So those markets are there with a lot of volatility. So last week the market had a big volatile move, and this week after market open, market made a very good movement. Our still market has a lot of chances. It's just consolidating. Even though the market is consolidating, US CPI is there. So due to US CPI, I think the pound got a little bit weaker as per the data. Go a little bit weaker. Pound. Yes, due to US CPI, the market actually went up. 200 points. So this won't make much more big impact on the markets. However, you should have to consider that so this type of movements are all possible only when there is a kind of economic news. Otherwise, you cannot expect such a big move anyway. So here is you trying to move up. Pound USD. Pound USD try to move down. Euro USD also remains the same. So if you look at this, Euro USD at the resistance level, I think. So if Euro USD at the resistance level, then we should have to be very careful about dealing with whether which kind of pair we should have to. Okay, let's see the market opportunities one by one. Euro USD is like this, and um, if I look at the higher time frame, Euro USD try to move on like this. Let's consider this 75% or else 60%. Let's see the market opportunity. How it's going to behave. Move on one by one. So pound USD, just simply trying to move up. You should have to wait and see because whatever happens, it would be temporary. So we need to wait and see whether these movements are temporary or it's going to climb up continuously. Only thing is we need to wait and see. Otherwise, we won't know whether the market will move up continuous or else it will move down. We don't know that. The time frame, market is moving down, and this time frame, I think pound USD. I think it might move up a little bit and then it will move down. So Australian USD try to move up, rebounding from the support. New Zealand USD same. So if you're trading against the trend, you always have a kind of different challenges. Anyway, and USD try to move down. Silver, oh, silver hits the lower high and again it trying to fall. So silver, you should have to wait either for the breakout at the top or the bottom to buy or sell. Otherwise, you don't need to do anything. Use the Swiss franc at the retest area. Might have chances to retest. So, but we need to check time frame closer, how it's going to react or move on. Check it out closer. So next, after I use the Swiss franc, USD Canadian dollar is there. USD Canadian dollar is just rebounding from the support. So I'm gonna GB pound கண்டிப்பா பண்றேன் அவ்வளோ கேட்டுங்க it's Euro Canadian dollar just try to rebound, but I don't have much confidence over here. Euro Canadian 1000 figure out பண்றாங்க புரியுது pound New Zealand simply try to get down. Yes, it tried to move up and again it tried to come down. So not sure about the pound New Zealand. Pound dollar also the same. Australia Canadian is moving up aggressively. Yes, it's just moving up very aggressively. USD I'm not sure about that USD USD might have chance to rebound from this support. I think it will hit 149. Yeah, it will go. It will go and hit that 149 level for sure. USD Canadian also trying to move up. Only trying to move up. Yes, you can. Yes, you can try to move up. Yes, yen is like that. Gold is also simply consolidating. I think all the pairs, it looks like the market is just simply moving up, down, up, down. It's all just simply consolidating towards this and that levels. So if you look at all the pairs, pound USD is at the richest area, and Euro Canadian, USD CAD, it's all trying to move up. Euro Swiss franc is just rebounding from harder from the lower level. Specific courses, digital courses will remain in the market from the pound Swiss franc. Australian Swiss franc is trying to move up continuously. I think Australian Swiss franc is good to buy and can move on more for sure. Canadian Swiss franc is also trying to move up, but this one we should have to be careful because it hits the previous support, which acts as a new resistance. So we need to be careful about that. USD Canadian same. I don't know. Australia, New Zealand. I think Euro pound. So Euro pound clearly shows that market has a chance to rebound from this area. However, we should have to be very careful about what's really going to happen. So what can we expect now right here is it just hits the retest area, right? So fall very soon. Euro pound, I think Euro pound, on the Euro pound, Euro pound. Australian JPY, I think it will move up because JPY also have chances to move up continuously. If you respect this one, I think Australian JPY, if we're going to respect this one, I think we can give a respect on Australian JPY. It might have a chance to give some correction this place, but without confirmation, I won't give any kind of calls. Euro Japanese yen. It's at the top, but it is on an uptrend, so you should not go to trade against the trend. It's going to be very difficult if you trade against the trend. It's going to be difficult anyway. So, கண்டிப்பா வரேன். Euro Euro AUD, I think Euro AUD might have chances to move down a little bit. Another 1000 points or around this place is possible for Euro AUD to move down. Pound AUD also remains the same, but however, it's just moving up channel, I think. Pound AUD also have a chance to move up or down. It also have a chance to. Nothing to do. Just wait. And JB is also the high. Bitcoin. So if you look at the gold, it's just trying to keep moving up and down. I believe we used to carry on more continuously. Euro Swiss francs simply trying to rebound. USD yen. So it remains the same. USD also remains the same. So So if I look at all the pairs, it is all just simply moving up and down, just simply consolidating. Nothing else, only consolidation is there.